In this video, we'll learn how to do payment posting in PinkyBill. Go to the Accounting tab. Open the Payment Posting section. Click on the Add Payment button. Fill in the following details. Click Save. To apply the payment to claims, click on Add icon. Search and select the patient for whom you want to apply the payment. Enter paid amount. Enter adjustment amount, if any. Click Update to apply the changes. Click the View icon to review the posted payment. You can also click on the Claim ID to view full claim and payment details. Your payment is now successfully posted. You can track applied amounts and balances directly from this section.
PinkyBill.